Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my FabFitFun unboxing for fall 2020, and if you want to see what's inside this box, then keep on watching. I think these are becoming my favorite videos that I film because I forgot how much I love doing unboxings, and especially when you get treated with a big old box like this every how many months? Let's see what we have inside. Oh, I didn't really think this whole filming situation through, did I? Opening the box up, we have the publication that's inside. Gives you a bunch of tips and tricks of the products that are inside, as well as a full breakdown of the prices and everything that's inside this box. We're gonna use this as our handy dandy little notebook. It looks like we already have some like promo goodies inside, so let's go ahead and break these down first. The first one is a $45 credit to Bright Sellers. Now, I'm pretty sure Bright Sellers was the like offer that they gave us last box. Truthfully, I was all excited for it. Went to go do the profile, and then I realized that it was like a timed offer. You only had so many days once you use the activation code before you could actually like place the order, and I just wasn't ready to order yet because we were in the middle of moving. I am super excited to get this again, so now I get like a redemption shot of it, and I'm really excited for that. So this is definitely something I'm gonna hold on to, and when I am ready to order, I'm gonna order it right then and there. We also have a offer for HelloFresh. I've seen a lot of people talk about this program. It is a at-home food subscription. You can pick meals and everything is sent to your door directly. Looks like this gives you an $80 off your first box, which is kind of cool. This is definitely something I am excited to check out. Been doing a little bit more cooking recently, and yeah, definitely want to see what the hype is about that too. Let's go ahead and jump into the box. I think the very first thing I have to pull out is this whole curling wand. FoxyBae rose gold 25mm curling wand. He retails for $99. This is actually really cool. I've been using a curling iron recently, one that actually has a clamp on it, being that my other curling wand I have was just a little bit too thick of a barrel for me. I actually like the size of this because my hair is shorter. It might be a little bit easier to wrap it around the wand. That is supposed to help shine and create voluminous curls. Really excited about this, being that like I only paid $50 for the box and we already got a product that is double the price of what I paid for the box. Next in our box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and he retails for $22. You can't really go wrong with a clear brow gel. Quite frankly, I use the Benefit Clear Brow Gel, but there really isn't a difference between the two. I don't have a preference. I just use the Benefit because I use Benefit products, and I have tested this, do like it, so that's an added bonus. It's always like a game of Where's Waldo trying to find the products inside the magazine. And we have the Erno Laszlo Exfoliating Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. He retails for $48. This is a massive size clay mask. I am interested to see how it works, if it does pull things to the surface like most clay masks do. It has kaolin and bentonite clay to remove impurities while infusing moisturizer and nutrients into the skin. This is going to make your skin a little bit more sensitive, and it is going to pull a lot of things to the surface and get your skin really red. I have used products that had kaolin in it before, and I thought I was having a reaction. So for future Sarah, when your face does get red, don't freak out. If anything, I love the aesthetic of it. That's gonna look cute on my vanity. And these are the 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio, and these retail for $32. These are the barrettes. It looks like kind of marbly-esque, I would say. I gotta be completely honest, I don't think I've used a barrette since I was in the 5th grade. It's not something to say that I wouldn't use if I had inspiration or maybe look up styles of like how to pin back curls or hair or whatnot. Clearly there's something really good about these because 32 is a little excessive. Yeah, that does say 32. That is absurd. $32 for a hair clip. Ridiculous. I am glad that I did receive these because, again, I would not pay $32 on its own. So to get it for only paying $50, it's not that bad. So next we have the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This jar retailed for $16. Oh, it's a hair mask. It looks like matcha. It smells really good. And my hair has been a little bit mischievous lately, and it has been having a lot of breakage. I actually need to get my hair done pretty bad, as I mentioned in my September favorites video. I've been using the Amika Soul Food hair mask, and which is always a favorite. I do love that product. Sometimes I like to switch it up. Keratin technology with argan and prickly pear oils. This is something that is relatively cheap, so if I do like it, it is a good alternative instead of breaking the bank for a more higher end hair care product. Oh, what is this little guy? This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. What is this? This guy retails for $19.50. This is the cutest packaging. I don't even want to open it. It's so freaking cute. Oh, this is huge. Ugh. illuminating milk for face and body, so you can use this all over, and it says to shake it up. Already like the fact that it, ew. We're gonna put a little bit on the back of the hand here. That color is such a pretty coppery color. Not making fun of my fake tan, but I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell. That melted right into the skin. This would be something that I would not maybe use directly on my face, being that it is such a highlighting shade. If I wanted to spice up a décolleté area, holidays are coming up soon, so we all wanna be sparkling and glitzy and glam. Definitely something I have to try to find a use for. It's not something that I think I would immediately grab right off the bat. I did like how it melted into the skin, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily or slick. It looks like here we have blue light blocking eyewear, the Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses, and brown tortoise, and these guys retail for $45. These are a non-prescriptive blue light blocking glasses, which is something that I have been on the market for. As you guys might recall, in a favorites video this year, I bought new glasses from I Buy Direct, and they were the blue light blocking filter glasses. I wear my contacts quite a bit. For my job, I do a ton of work on the computer, and I don't like how tired and dry my eyes get when I'm staring at a screen for 10 to 12 hours a day. Thankfully, FabFitFun answered my prayers. I like these because they're very similar to the other pair that they're dirty. I already have a smudge on them. They fit my face pretty good. It does have that amber tint to it, which is a little dramatic, being that like I can see out of the peripheral, like my normal vision and then like the actual vision. I would have to test them out on a screen to see if it does make a difference. They do feel pretty lightweight, so if I do abuse them, throw them in a purse or whatever, wouldn't be a bad idea. I might throw these at my desk at work whenever I can go back into the office, just because I do stare at a computer screen for close to 5-6 hours a day at work alone. I like how it comes with a little carrying case. I like how they fit. I like how they look. The Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice Pedicure Kit. These guys retail for $20. There are 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits included in this box, and what includes in the set is a sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Realistically, I can do pedicures myself. I don't like doing pedicures myself because it's a treat yourself type of thing. Oh, look how cute these are. It really is an all-inclusive pedicure you can do for yourself. I love the fact that it is pumpkin spice. Since we're heading into fall and winter, I'm not wearing sandals as much. So the point of me going and getting a pedicure just seems kind of dumb for a spend of money. See, if you live with somebody else who is intimate with you and you can have them do a pedicure for you, that's a win-win all in all. So that was everything that was inside my FabFitFun box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. I feel that this box maybe was not the best. There are a lot of great products in this box, absolutely, no hesitation. However, the value of the box is $300-ish. I'll put the number right here. Like, a lot of the products in here are things that I may not actually use. Definitely a stepping out of my comfort zone kind of box. It's weird because I like it, but there are some products in here that I'm like, I know I'm not going to use those, or I'm going to have to try to find every excuse in the book to use them. I will be sure to list all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. And I will also link my website down below too, so you can see what else I'm working at over at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's. I'm gonna go ahead and go, so thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. It's not going well. I am so sorry, future Sarah. Oh god, I'm running out of room. Bedding tonight. I totally butchered that saying. Super excited to try this out because I was super stoked. How many times can I say super? We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Oh god. He felt.